Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram limit exceeded iOS on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Telegram app and this is window. We'll just go down here to find Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come here to this is window. We will click here on force stop and we will click here on OK. And we will just click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on manage storage. Then we come to this is window. We will go up. We will click here in up and we will click here on clear local and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.